Look at this. Wow. This is pretty stiff. Oh, yeah, me and Randy were talking about taking a trip in one of those. That'd be kind of cool. No windows.
The car, the windows already went by.
Okay. You ever feel like you make excuses just in your writing style or in the places that you want to go or what you want to do? Do you ever feel like you make excuses like, okay, I need this or I need that? I think sometimes I do. Sometimes I feel like I'm making excuses. And I don't like doing that because look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. This is something that I wanted to do pretty much since I'm a little kid. Ride my motorcycle, go to places. I'm 40 years old. I mean, I don't have that much left. I'm not a young kid. I mean, I got a while, but again, I'm not a young kid. I'm 40. So, I don't know how old you can be riding a motorcycle. There's guys that I seen in the 70s, and they're still riding, and God bless them. That's amazing, man. I hope that I'm there as well. But at one point, I'm sure the bike will be too big. I guess that's when you go to trikes. Just get a nice trike and, you know, ride a trike, I guess, right? But again, let's check out this place. Look at that torpedo. Wow, that's big. This is definitely the downtown area for Palaka. Look at that clock right there. Guy doing some fishing over there. Oh, really? So I just wanted to mention this because I gotta itch my nose. I wanted to mention this because sometimes I feel like I do that. Sometimes I feel like I'm doing excuses, or I'm saying excuses, or, you know, I don't want to take a trip, or I don't want to do this because of this and that. And wow, life is too short. I love being on a motorcycle. I love doing this thing. I love enjoying this, right? And, you know, I'm blessed enough to be able to do that. So I just want to encourage a couple guys out there, you know, maybe you want to go and ride your bike. Do it. I'm not saying by no means to, you know, disregard your responsibilities or disregard what you're supposed to do. Definitely not. I'm a husband. I'm a father of 3 boys. I love them very much. And my family comes before anything else. Before this motorcycle, before everything. To me, is God and my family. I'm blessed to have a beautiful wife, beautiful kids, like I said. But again, you know, I love riding. I really love riding. So a lot of times I feel like I don't know, not exploring everything that I want to do in my motorcycle because I'm making excuses. Like, oh, you know, I work too much, or I don't have time, or, you know, this is a big one that I think that we need to stop it. You know, my motorcycle can't do it. You know, whenever I buy that brand new 2021 or 2017, 18 Road Glide, I'm going to take a trip. And I'm thinking to myself, you know how many Harley riders have been riding Harleys for years upon years? I mean, back in the 90s, there were people riding and enjoying themselves. And they went all over the country, right? I mean, 2005, when this Road King Classic came out, I'm sure people were like, man, I'm so happy to have that bike so I could tour the country. So here I am, 2021, thinking, well, maybe I can't tour the country no more. Not that I'm going to, because another excuse, my back is killing me. But either way, yeah, sounds like excuses. You know, 2005 Road King, if it's not, it's a great bike, first of all, but if it's old and it may break, I just need to learn how to fix it. You know, back in the days, guys used to fix it. It's obviously a great skill to have, really good skill to have. So again, you know, I think about all those things, guys, I really do. And I was just thinking about it because I love doing this. You know, just went to Ravine State Park with Randy. We had a great time. It was amazing to see some of the things that we saw. It's only about 45 minutes or so from the house. So a nice little ride through the country roads, and we enjoy it. So again, opportunities and places that we may be missing out because we're making excuses. So I'm not making excuses, you know. I love my bikes. I'm not buying another one, so like right now I'm not. You know, my bike is paid off. It's mine. It's a great bike. It only has 14,000 miles. So many places, so many adventures. Yeah, it does get hot sometimes. It is what it is in an 88. But you know what? I just suck it up and continue to push forward and continue to go to all these places that I wanted to go. Once a week I leave, so every other week I go and take a little trip with Randy. I go to some place, explore. Eventually, at the end of the year, you're going to have so many places that you went. You can look back and be like, man, we hit like 10, 15 places this year. And that's how you start building memories. I mean, this is not new to me. Not at all. I've been riding bikes for years. And I've been in so many different places. It's always so much fun to do. Alright, Randy's giving me the sign. See you later, brother. Thank you for bringing me here. It was just awesome. Really, really awesome. There we go. I got a good 20 minutes on this road. And the great thing about this is that it's going to be this road. Beautiful trees, beautiful country, and me and the Lord, baby. A little prayer time, a little alone time with me and the Lord. It's going to be great. It really is. Let's do it. Alright guys, there you have it. I hope you guys are doing great. Stay tuned, we got a lot of videos coming up. And as always, God is in control.